Hey TikTok, so today we got 92chicken in Fort Lauderdale. So I got their 8-wing combo. This one is the crispy, and I got their garlic, I think it's their sweet garlic sauce. And then every meal comes with fries or rice. I got the rice. I also got a water, and the guy was so nice. He gave me a free, this is a milk tea. He said he was trying it out. It's like a strawberry mango. Delicious. So let's get into it. So we got some rice. Let's try the rice, just rice. It was basically talking to myself rice. We got a chicken. This sauce is really dark. Disclaimer, I already tried this. Earlier I tried one wing, so I already know what it's giving, but we're gonna try it again. That's really good, but I would definitely say it's more spicy than sweet. Wow. I can't even get the piece I want it. Yeah. The storm's supposed to be coming, but I don't see no clouds. Like, you know, it's a little gray outside, but for the most part, it's sunny. And I'm like, what is going on? But yeah, this is really, really spicy. But that milk tea, I didn't think I was gonna like it. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of milk, so like when he offered me, I was like, but so good, so freaking good. I don't know how to describe the sauce. It's almost like a I don't know what's in this sauce, but it's so good. Yeah, definitely gas. I love this. My girl, can I eat in peace without you doing the most on me? And I think this is a it's like a Korean, you know, like the Jollibee, I think it's like similar to that, like Korean. Yeah, it's Korean style chicken, and it's so good. Like, ugh, this is exactly what I needed. Look at that sauce. This is not fresh, y'all. Like, the place was about 8 minutes away, and it took me about 10 to 15 minutes to eat it. So this is about, 20, almost 30 minutes, like, been sitting, and the crunch is still there. The flavor is immaculate. I'm really not these sauce. I'm trying to show y'all how this sauce look. Ooh. I'm trying to show y'all how this sauce look, and it's tearing my mouth up. And the rice is the perfect pairing because it's so, like, versatile. It just blends well with everything. Wow. And I don't know what to do with Korean fried chicken, but they always want to give you drums. Like, they give you so many drums. And I thought it was boba in this thing, like those little pieces at the bottom. But it's not boba, it's mango bits cut up as in, like, smaller pieces so it can fit through the straw. And oh my god, it's so good. Overall, I would rate this meal a solid, maybe like 8.5 out of 10. Like, that's good. That's really, really strong. Like, nothing really went wrong for me with this meal, and that's great. And the customer service was amazing, and it was fast, and I liked everything. So I don't know. I feel like the only two things it's missing is, like, maybe a little bit more flavor on the chicken itself. I know they don't probably season it as much, but maybe a little bit more flavor on the chicken. And I don't know, the rice was okay. Rice is rice, whatever. 8.5 out of 10 for 92chicken. Bye.